If you're looking to learn a self-working card trick that requires no setup, no skill, and can be done with a borrowed and shuffled deck, this is the trick you want to learn, guys. This is absolutely insane. So check this out. What you do is you have the spectator shuffle the cards. You then ask them to take out any 9 cards. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you ask them to shuffle the remaining cards. This is what's insane about this. So they shuffle these, place these to the side, and then they give the 9 cards a shuffle as well. Watch how impossible this looks. And then you ask them to take out 1 card. So let's assume they go for this one, the 9 of spades, and then they place the 9 of spades on top, and these shuffled cards go on top as well. Check this out, this is crazy. So you're going to create 4 piles, and the way you're going to do it is by dealing them face up, counting from 10 all the way through to 1. Now if the count matches the value that you deal, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Check this out. So we go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So nothing matched from the count with the value, so we just take a card and place it face down on top. And we're going to do it again. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. See, we got a match. The count matched the value, so we're just going to leave that there and go to the next pile. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and we got a match. So the count matched the value. We go to the next one. So we go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't get a match, so we just block it off with a face down card. And so now all we have to do is just add these 2 numbers together. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and we just count down 5 from here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th card, and our card was the 9 of spades. Got to give it the magician's flick, and guess what? It'll match your card, the spectator selection, every single time. How the hell does that work? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. This is insane. Yo, what's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a wonderful week so far. This trick that I'm about to show you, it is one of those tricks that just suck. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's one of those mathematics self-working tricks where you try and figure it out, and then as you're trying to figure it out, it's just like, it just fools you along the way. Well, it's one of those. It's really annoying, but it's an absolute killer. You're absolutely going to love it. You're absolutely, I'm just going to say absolutely a lot. How about that? But you really are going to enjoy this trick, and it's so easy to perform. You'll be doing it in minutes. So you know what to do. Like the video if you're ready to learn. Subscribe if you want to learn more amazing content like this. And let's get right into it right now. Okay, so let's go over the explanation to this trick. Now, I am telling you, it really doesn't have an explanation. You could say it's mathematics, but how does it work even after you keep shuffling the cards? So it really is a no setup, a self-working card trick. You can use anyone's deck of cards. So you just shuffle them, or you can ask the spectator to do this. And then you just tell them to take out any 9 cards. So we'll just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you ask them to shuffle the remaining. So this is what baffles me. How is this actually possible if these are getting shuffled as well? Then from here, what you do is you shuffle these, or you ask your spectator to do it. And they can take any one of these. It doesn't matter. So it's the, well, that's a coincidence, isn't it? 9 of spades. We'll get another one. Here we go. 7 of hearts. And then you place that on top of this packet here. And then you can ask them to shuffle these again if you want. And these quite simply just go on top just like that. And so now you're going to create the 4 piles. And so you're going to count down from 10 and just tell your spectator, look, I'm going to count down from 10. If my count matches one of the value cards, then that's going to be a number that we use. So for example, this is the first pile. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you don't get the count matching the value, all you have to do is take the next card face down and place it on top. and then you do it again. This always works, okay? And so we go again. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we've got to match. My count match the value. So we just leave it and move on to the next one. And so we do it again. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't get a match, so we take the next face down card, place it there. And then last time, we go 10, 9, 8, 7. We got a match. Perfect. So all we have to do now is just tell our spectator, look, we're going to add 7 and 5, which is obviously 12. And then we're just going to count 12 from here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 12th card, and we're looking for the 7 of hearts. And remember, you got to flick it. You just have to. And it matches every freaking time. It's crazy. I've been trying to work out the math to this, and I just can't. Now, there's a couple of scenarios that you are going to fall into. Let me explain. So, let's say over here, right? You get all of these match your count. That is a very real possibility. And guess what? You do exactly as you do if you only get 2 matches. You just add them all together. And sometimes you might only get just 1 over here that matches. It's a very real possibility that it happens. And trust me, it doesn't matter what the outcome is. This is always going to work 100% of the time. And it really just comes down to how you present the trick to your spectator. And so I really hope you enjoy it. And trust me, when you start playing around with it, you'll be like, holy crap, how does this actually work? And you'll try and figure it out. So, hope you enjoyed it. You see what I mean by this trick sucks? Like, not as in it's a bad trick. It's just, oh, I can't figure it out. So if anyone knows, drop a comment down below and I'll pin your comment. Because I love the trick so much, but I just don't get how it works, even after the shuffles. And anyway, you know what I'm talking about. But I hope you enjoyed the trick. Leave a like on the video if you did. It helps the content go a long way. It helps me out as well. And I will definitely see you guys next time. And if you want to see more self-working card tricks, I'm going to leave a little link around about here where you can, open up a playlist and learn a whole bunch of cool stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Behave yourselves, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.